Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging for you. So before I get into this though, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, and I want to welcome all my new subscribers, and I want to let you know that I appreciate each and every one of you for all of the support that you show me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, if you're just passing through, you happen to come across my channel, please consider subscribing. I show all kinds of products. I do product reviews, I do unbagging, unboxings, diamond painting, miniature dollhouse kits, all kinds of stuff. So anyway, please consider subscribing. Hit that thumbs up because that does help my channel. And please leave me some comments. I enjoy reading them. I always comment back. So, yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. So, let's get into this bag. Alright, so this comes to me from Paintsomeway. So, thank you, Paintsomeway, for sending this to me. I appreciate it. Let's get in here. Let's see what I got. I know what I got, but I don't remember what I got. One thing I remember what I got. Okay, so if you've been following me, I'm going to bring y'all down a little bit. If you've been following me, you know that I love cover minders, okay? I used to have an Etsy shop where I made and sold cover minders. But I shut that down. But there is a certain cover minder that I have been trying to get my hands on, okay? And I couldn't remember which one it was. Well, I do have them now, but I don't know. I don't know what was going on in my head, because now, I guess when I went to try to get this cover minder, I just kept ordering the same cover minder, but I kept ordering it from other companies because I couldn't remember which cover minder it was I needed. So now I have got this cover minder, and I think I have ordered it from every company. But it is the purple glitter drop cover minder. Okay? And I love him because I love these cover minders, and purple's my favorite color. But now I think I have 3 of him. He was the one I needed, and now I have him 3 times over. And I think I have another one coming. But he's got the good strong magnet. And on Paintsomeway's website, he is $2.99. So for $2.99, you can get the purple glitter drop cover minder. Yep. So I think, like I said, I have got 3 of him now. So there he is. Alright, so I did get a canvas. So let's see what I got. So like I said, I know what I got, but I don't remember which one I got. So let's see. Alright, I'm stuck here. Alright. So it is a special. And I'm just going to roll it backwards. And it comes with a normal toolkit, which is your green boat, pink wax, pink single placer pen. That's all you need to do a diamond painting. And it does come with special, and we're going to look at those. But this is what I got. Isn't she sweet? And there's other ones that go with this series. I think there's like, gosh, I don't know. There's several. I don't remember how many, but I know there's several of them. I would love to get them all. I think I'm going to try to get a couple more anyway. But isn't she cute? She is a 30 by 30. She does have 14 gems or special shapes. She has a schematic up here on the top right, bottom left. Very clear. Isn't she sweet? Very sweet. She's a little elf, or a little fairy. Not an elf. She is a fairy. But she is a partial, so none of this here is going to be done. It's only sticky where you put, you know, you can see the shiny spot is the only spot you're going to put the gems. That shiny is the glue. So let's look at the gems real quick. I don't know about y'all, but here in Kentucky, our weatherman, we're under the dome of the heat wave. They're saying that it's like worse here than it is anywhere because our heat index is like 130, I think, something like that. But I know it is awful here. Look at these roses. Are them not gorgeous? Look at those. So pretty. But our air conditioners are doing, and we have window units. We live in an old house. I wish we had central heat and air, but we don't. And our air conditioners are just absolutely just giving it all they have, and it just is not enough. I am literally standing in front of one of our air conditioners, and I am burning up. These are all so pretty. This is going to be really pretty when it's finished. So the roses obviously go right here in her hair. So they gave you, there's 6 roses and there's 5 spots. So they give you 1 extra in case you lose one, I guess. So there's those. So let's see. This was called Partial Special Shape Wreath Fairy Girl 30 by 30, and she was $4.99 on Paintsomeway. Isn't she gorgeous? Alright, so I'm going to set this to the side and we will look and see what we got here. Okay. I remember getting this, but I don't remember what image I got. I am not even going to lie. I don't remember. What did I do with my scissors? Let's see. Come on. Let me in there. So I will put this back in here. Alright. So it's a special shaped also. And here's the chain that you hang it with. Comes with your typical toolkit. And, oh yeah. Okay, so this is a pendant, I think, is what this is. Let me see. Yeah, this is called a crystal rhinestone pendant, double-sided home garden decoration. This was $7.99. It's not double-sided, but that's okay, because it'll probably sit, well, I'll probably put mine on either, well, I'll probably put it on my door, hang it on my door, so you won't see the backside anyway. But there's two holes, you can see it, one's right there, and one's right there, and that's where you're going to hang these from those holes. But as you can see, it's very clear, but it has a film on it that you're going to peel off. Right. Ooh, almost had it. Come on. Right there is a film. Woo! Lost it. There we go. It's very sticky. So let's look at the gems. Looks like it might have a couple specials, but the rest of them are going to be just regular rhinestones. Okay. So those are clear, and then we got orange, different kind of oranges. Oops, get off of there. Some pinks. Some orange. Look at that blue. Another blue. Ooh, I like that green. There's the specials. Some blue and green. There's some more blue. More blue. So those are going to go in here. And in the leaves. And up in here. And then these flowers. So that is pretty. That's going to be really pretty too. It's all going to be pretty. You know, you can't really do a special and it not be pretty. They're all pretty. I love specials. I have got so many. You know, it used to, when I first started diamond painting, I didn't have hardly any special drill, anything. And I was always like, oh, I want some special drill stuff. But I wouldn't order anything because I was like, no, I need canvases, because if I run out of canvases, I won't have anything to work, because special drills are so quick. And it's like now I have so many of both, so I'm like, good. So I'm like loving it. I'm just, yeah. So that is so pretty. I couldn't remember which one I ordered, but I'm glad I did order that. So like I said, Paintsomeway, this is $7.99 for the crystal rhinestone pendant. Like I said, it says it's double-sided, but it's not. And this is considered a home garden decoration. And then this one is the partial special shape Wreath Fairy Girl 30 by 30. She was $4.99. Okay. And then my multiple purple glitter drop cover minder was $2.99. All of this was from Paintsomeway. And I will leave the links in my description box, along with anything else, any kind of discount code or anything else that I have for them. So let me know what y'all think. leave me any comments or whatever, and I hope y'all are having a good week. That she is just so cute. I just keep looking at her little face. But yeah. So thank you, Paintsomeway, again, for sending these to me. I really do appreciate it. So y'all, I guess until my next video, I'll see you all later. Bye, y'all.